What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and in this video we're taking a look at Samsung's latest tablet lineup, the Galaxy Tab S9 series. Let's dive in.
Are you ready?
Just like last year's Galaxy Tab S8 lineup, the S9 series comes in 3 renditions: the standard Tab S9, S9 Plus, and S9 Ultra. Here in Samsung's Secret Unpacked event, I spent most of my time with the larger-than-life 14.6-inch Ultra model. It features the same notch at the top center of the display when viewing horizontally, just like last year. The stunning AMOLED 2X panel gives off amazingly wide viewing angles, visuals come out vibrant and color accurate, paired up with AKG-tuned audio and support for software-enhanced Dolby Atmos surround sound. And, like most devices coming out in recent years, the panel's refresh rates are high. And I couldn't get over how large this super thin slab of glass and aluminum was. Here's me pretending to document my daughter's graduation. Now, here's me using it as a sign. Interested buyers will be glad to know that it comes with an IP68 rated S Pen in the box. But if it is as expensive as last year's, that's the least they could do. The S Pen magnetizes to 4 locations around and at the rear of the Tab S9 Ultra. Wireless charging should be featured all around. It's also fun to use for taking down notes or doodling, but is it a drawing tablet replacement? Hard to say in this hands-on, but I definitely wouldn't be surprised in a few years if it did. Or maybe it could already with the S Pen Pro. S Pen Pro sold separately. Moving on from the S Pen, pair this up with the keyboard accessory and any of the tablets become a full-fledged Ultrabook replacement. The keyboard even features a trackpad. For performance, powering these thin chassis are Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipsets made for Galaxy, which basically mean they're rated for higher clock speeds. At the time this video was published, pre-order promos should be up on Samsung's e-store. Samsung Philippines promises up to 10,000 pesos worth of goodies, a free storage upgrade, a free 1-year Microsoft 365 subscription, a free book cover with keyboard attachment, and 1 year of Samsung Care Plus. And this was the Galaxy Tab S9 series. If you want to know more about these devices, let us know in the comment section below. And for now, I'm going to be playing co-op.